your ringtone on Android. This is how you change it. First, you want to do MP3 converter, and you want to install this one. So now, once it's installed, what I'm going to do is, well, I'm going to wait a bit because it's still downloading. Okay, it's just downloaded. So we're going to open it. I'm going to go on TikTok and find a song. Then press video to audio, allow. Then this one. So now you want to press MP3. So then you want to press retain the format and bitrate selected this time. Keep that to normal and convert it. And now that it's converted, now what you want to do is go into clock, and you'll see this one. And then press done. But obviously you don't want it like that, but if you keep it again, select it, and then I have this weird name that I didn't even want. But I can press on there. And press done, and then it's on. So now I have a couple more, so I have this one. And then that's it. That's all I have. So that's how you do it, but obviously you're going to make sure that's set to the right one. So yeah, that's how you change it.